The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dover, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clarksville around 8:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Indian Mound, Palmyra, Sladen, Cumberland City, Cunningham, and Woodlawn. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What else do you see? I predict